Yo, what's poppin', YouTube? Yo, what's poppin', IG? Retro gang. Retro family. Man, it's your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and
Maddy's Kicks.
Man, Maddy back in the building. Glad for my baby to be back. Before we get into it, I'm finna let you know right now, you do not want to miss this vidgy. We say vidgies, videos. You do not want to miss this vidgy. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 on foot. We doing four
on foot.
4 on foot today, man. Maddy got some heat. I got some heat. Some stuff you seen and we unboxed already, but you don't want to miss this, as well as, look, Maddy, A-B honor roll.
He's gonna keep flexing
gang,
he dies.
Gang, you know I'm all about the game. Taking care of my baby, we take care of each other, we take care. You know, we gotta do what we gotta do, man. You know, when we say gang, we don't mean we out hurting nobody. It's a family channel. We for the family, we for the gang. Anybody mess with y'all, they messing with us, and vice versa. So look, let's get right into it. Shoe channel, right? Man, show them what you got. Let me show them these bags on deck. Oh, so look, on unboxing. Maddy been gone for a while. Maddy, go on unbox. Let's get right into it. Keep them surprised. Let them know what you're unboxing. I got the bags. You see that? You got the baby. Get it. Man, look, this Just Do It tape. Y'all killing us. Stop putting the Just Do It tape on here. Come on, man. Then you got the Nike check on here. Come on, please. Look, just go back to the regular boxes. If anybody, you know feel how we feel, leave a comment below. Go back to the regular boxes. So I'm going to hold this up. Maddy deserve it. She's been getting good grades. She wouldn't have it no other way. And we hit off the, look, here we hit off the sneaker. We hit off Nike sneaker app.
The one and only.
Ooh, size 7. Get into it, baby.
Turbo green. Buttery. Mad buttery.
Look, y'all know that's the Turbo Greens that started everything, man. Shout out to my boy Mike Rich and the Rich Nation. That's how we end up linking up, getting the same pair. Maddy hit on the sneaker app. I didn't, so I hit at Foot Locker. She hit at Nike.
He got his out of the
display
box. Yeah,
you know, display case. But, you know, it is what it is. But look, once again, this is Turbo Greens right here.
3 different laces, white, turquoise, and purple.
And then green, of course, is my favorite color, so.
I like blue.
Maddy like that blue, so you kind of switch it up. You know, is this blue? I always see what people saying when they were saying it's kind of bluish, but no, it still got that green turquoise.
I'm mad I missed out on the UNC, so like.
Hold up, I see what's going on. I see why you got this on now.
Oh, we go with my Odd Future shirt.
Let's get it. So you know the on foot. We're gonna get into that. I got the bag. Let me unbox. This came from Nike. Of course, everybody asking what's the address. It is 711 10th Street, Atlanta, Georgia. Get right into it. It's the door backers. I picked these up today. YouTube, these are the shoes that I got today.
Colorful and clear.
So, y'all tell me which laces y'all want to go with. Of course, it comes with a freestyle. It says freestyle sticker right here. 1977 on the back. It is see-through, so whatever color socks you wear, it's going to show up. This definitely in Panama City Beach. When we hit the beach house.
Island feels.
Yeah, man. A lot of colors, tropical colors.
Jamaica.
Just a lot of good feel colors, man. So I'm going to be rocking these no matter what. What it say? Greatest of all time. That's what it says right there. So then, what we got on the back?
That's
on
what
the heel?
greatest of all time is, right?
Go. That's actually correct, baby. So we got, you know, it's nice. You got the nice. We're going to do it on foot. Don't go on the wedding as well. What else we unboxing? Picked these up Sunday with the BB Adapts. These are the NRGs. Russ Brooks. My God. Look.
He's in love.
I like these shoes, man. I'm in love with these shoes. The green is, once again, one of my favorite colors. I love how they did this at the bottom of the heel.
It's different. It's
different. At the bottom, you actually got the size, the barcode. Then as well as on here, you got
the stars.
Jordan brand, Why Not, 0.2, All Stars with the stars on it. As far as the All Star collection came out All Star weekend in Charlotte. Back here, like this premium. I want to know what this is. Somebody know what this is? Leave a comment. Do not know. Tell me what it is, baby. What you think it is? It's nice. This is what drawn me to the shoe.
It kind of reminds me of like if you wear a vest.
A vest. Then you got the fatigue up front on the right here at the tongue as well. With that same material once again. On foot, don't go nowhere. So look, we finna hit the on foot, and then after the on foot, we're gonna let y'all know about the Concord. So look, I told you our video's different. I might let you know about the Concords. Maddie might let you know about the Concords giveaway doing the on foot. Don't go nowhere. Stay linked in. Gang. On foot now. Maddie kicking flavor. Turbo green. Retail $160 plus tax. Let's get into the next one.
Okay, guys, here we got the
BB adapts basketball shoes, man. So I got the phone here with me. Let me show you how this works. The L stands for left, the R stands for right. So if you hit hey, y'all, excuse the phone, man. I dropped it. I've been out there working at the pop-up. Hey, somebody got something to say, send your boy a phone, man. But look, let's get into it. Basically, it's tightened up. It's self-lacing now on the left. I got it on orange. Right now, it's the color I'm picking. I'm going to choose the color, then go right. Go all the way up. Then you change the colors here with this button. This color, that's the color. Got this color, green. Match it up, another green. White.
the whole rainbow.
Look, I'm be honest with you. The shoes are very comfortable. So I'm lacing. Gonna make that noise. Don't trip out, man. On my own foot tonight, gonna be with the fatigue pants, man. Your boy Retro tired. Been out here working. But you definitely wear them with some joggers. And I think maybe some jeans or something else, man. It's a basketball shoe, but you can make it a lifestyle shoe. Kind of remind me of the Kobe Bryant. You know what? You shit is behind me. Don't go nowhere. We finna put y'all up on game. I'm finna do one more on foot. You might hear about it now. You might hear about it later. All right, fam. Let's get into these before I put these on foot. What I just realized on the inside, you got Chicago Cubs. Got the GOAT on the inside. This one got some more baseball stitching. This got baseball stitching. This is on as well. So let's put them on foot. See what they're looking like. I'm glad Maddy back. That way I ain't got to keep going back and forth. We can knock these videos out, these veggies out. Keep y'all coming with this heat and content. So you got 2 pairs of laces. Tell me what y'all think. Told y'all I apologize. Y'all gonna keep sharing fatigue for the other on foot. I'm not gonna switch up. You can wear them with joggers. However, that's the baseball I was talking about. All right, gang. Let's get into the next one. These, as I'm looking at them while Maddy holding the camera, you can see they light up with the 3M. These the All-Star Russell Westbrooks. Once again, I got on the fatigue. This is what I was talking about right here. That bottom. Then you see the barcode, the SKU number and everything's at the bottom now, size 12, my size. Oh, what you having? Look, stay linked in, man. We're going back to the shoebox, let y'all know about these Concord giveaways. Let's get it. Here we go. Man, 4 5s on the back. This the Concords, Retros, the Jordan 11s. So this how this raffle is going to go. All my day ones know what's going on. The people in that's been rocking with us, they left a comment in the veggie. I think it's like 15 people. Your name do go on the raffle twice, no matter what. You guarantee your name will go in twice. To all my new subscribers or the people that didn't do what they were supposed to do, your name still will go on the raffle. What you need to do is to say Retro Gang Gang or Retro Family in the comment. We're going to enter your name. In 24 hours, we're going to stop it. All the comments that's left, Retro Gang Gang or Retro Family, within 24 hours, to my subscribers, to my day one, shipping and handling is on Retro Rick and Maddy's kicks, plus the shoe, of course. If you overseas, you must pay for shipping. If it's international, out of the 50 states, you must pay for your shipping. Other than that, me and Maddy got you. You know what I'm saying? Like we always tell y'all, you know what I'm saying? It's the Give Back channel. We're going to keep continuing back. We're going to have better ways to do the raffles for YouTube and IG. I'm going to try to get the software system where we can kind of pick numbers and names when we tag people on IG and YouTube. So stay linked in, keep it informed. You know, people be striking out at these events. So this is my way to give back to people that strike out at the, on whatever, Foot Locker. I ain't going to be going in names. Y'all know what's going on. If you can't get the shoe, you know, this is my way to give back. Like I told y'all, my day ones, them 15 names, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to leave a comment. You don't have to say gang, gang. Retro family, y'all been, you did what you had to do, so your name going in twice. And just because we got, the subscribers we got, you don't have to leave a comment if you don't, say anything. So this your boy Retro Rick for Retro Rick and Maddy's Kicks. You know how we say, we love y'all. Stay strong, stay double strong. Yo, we out. Gang, gang. Retro family.